1. Google strikes $2.4 billion deal with Windsurf to hire CEO Varun Mohan, get AI licensing rights after OpenAI talks collapse. Alphabet Inc., HATI, Google's parent company, has completed a $2.4 billion deal to acquire top executives and licensing rights from artificial intelligence startup Windsurf. The agreement followed unsuccessful discussions between Windsurf and Google's rival, OpenAI. Those negotiations broke down in part due to Windsurf's refusal to permit Microsoft Corp. DAOs, a substantial OpenAI investor, access to its intellectual property. Google will welcome Windsurf's CEO, co-founder, and several employees into its DeepMind AI unit. This move is part of a growing trend in the tech industry, where large firms skirt full acquisitions to absorb smaller companies' executive talent and technology, thereby sidestepping potential antitrust issues. Nonetheless, regulatory authorities have started investigating these practices. Windsurf, also known as Exafunction Inc., is part of a set of startups creating AI-based coding assistants that can perform tasks like transforming natural language prompts into code. Since its conception in 2021, the company has amassed over $200 million in venture capital. 2. Google hires Windsurf CEO Varun Mohan. Others in $2.4 billion AI talent deal. Google has announced a multi-billion-dollar agreement with AI coding startup Windsurf, amping up competition in the AI talent space. The deal sees Google acquiring the services of Windsurf's co-founder and CEO, Varun Mohan, along with other senior team members. Although the tech giant isn't investing in Windsurf, it'll gain a non-exclusive license to some of its technology. Estimated at $2.4 billion, the deal comes as an alternative after talks between Windsurf and OpenAI fell through on a previously planned $3 billion acquisition. This acquisition furthers the ongoing AI talent war among major tech companies, with Meta and Facebook also making lucrative job offers and investments in this space. 3. Former Google CEO warns AI could surpass human intelligence in next few years. What is artificial superintelligence and why it matters? In this article, former Google CEO Eric Schmidt warns that society is underprepared for the advent of artificial superintelligence, or ASI. He defines ASI as a form of intelligence that far surpasses the collective intelligence of all humans. As examples of the growing capabilities of AI, Schmidt points out that AI is already significantly contributing to software development, and that existing AI systems are projected to outperform human mathematicians within a few years. Schmidt contends that artificial general intelligence, a form of AI capable of human-like reasoning across disciplines, will likely be developed within the next 3 to 5 years. Yet he suggests that the more significant shift will be the subsequent jump from AGI to ASI, positing that traditional governance, legal, and economic systems may be unable to adapt to this rapid transition. In the face of these advancements, Schmidt warns there's a lack of public awareness and discourse regarding the societal implications of ASI. He urges a shift in focus from immediate AI risks to long-term preparations for what could become the most transformative force in human history.